So this is our panel for checking a Google Sheet from using Google Picker. So first, this is our page. This is privacy policy and terms and service pages. This is signing with Google as well as login or register option. This is our key features and terms and conditions. So first go through signing with Google. Just click our account. So this is permissions to allow from Google. See information about your Google Drive files. See edit and create and delete all your Google Sheet option. So go to allow option. Okay. So just log in our panel. Add mark sheet verified WhatsApp. So select your separated sheet using a Google Picker. So select a Google option, choose your account, and then some trust and services already has some access like Google Drive files and edit and delete option using a Google Picker option. Okay, not directly Google Drive is using only Google Picker. So click on continue. Then see your all separated sheets. Then click anyone and then select option. Okay, so this is your tabs like your separated sheets, summary, approach, and this is your data. Okay, so all data is see this option. I'm not edit option, only see and view option, and then you can add your Google Sheet in our panel. So I have fetch our your data in our verified portal for using a WhatsApp sending option. Okay, so thank you and go to log out last one.